name's Tony Ann and this is my channel Talia Loves. So today I just thought I'd quickly bring you a natural, I don't know why I did that, a natural hair day like little tutorial. So this is just how I wash my hair on my wash day. Yeah, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've got some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm just going to deep condition my hair overnight. My hair's like grown a little bit, but I haven't seen my real hair since like January, obviously because I've had half up, half down, and I wouldn't take out the back bit, I just get it like redone. But yeah, my eyes look pretty greasy because in the process of taking off my individuals because they're on their way out. They did last about, let's say, 5 good weeks because Calms is literally amazing. Keep on watching this video if you want to see what I do to my hair. I basically get my hair texturized every 2.5 months. But yeah, I'm just gonna sleep with Vaseline on my eyelashes. Yeah, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of the clip. By the way, I look chubbier because I am. I've been eating, lockdown has me eating like Peppa Pig, like it's actually mad, but cue the voiceover. So first I start by wetting my hair, and then next I'm going to comb it out with a fine tooth comb just to get all the knots out. So I start from the root and then I go through to the tip. The back of my hair was super knotty because that's where I had the weave in from the half up, half down. So I just comb all of the knots out until they're completely gone. And then a bit of my hair fell out. So comb. I do tend to run the water through my hair just so it helps me clean my hair out because it helps loosen the texture and all of that. So we're going to do that for a good, I don't know how long, but quite a long time. Cool. So next I'm going to show you what shampoo I use. It is the Cream of Nature Ultra Moisturizing Shampoo. It's my favourite shampoo ever. Here's me being an Instagram babe. So now I'm just going to obviously clean my hair. So I just start at the roots and scratch it in just to help get rid of all the dirt and build up or whatever is in my hair. My hair doesn't get very soapy very easily, so I do have to run the water to help disperse the soap a little bit. And then next I grab a wide tooth comb just to keep combing it out because I'm trying to get it as straight as possible so when I blow dry it, it won't be so tough to comb out. But I don't really know if that actually worked. Here's me enjoying the water. I absolutely love washing my hair. It's my favourite thing to do. Next I'm going to be using the intensive conditioning treatment. This shampoo and conditioner literally lasts you such a long time. They come in huge bottles. I tend to go through quite a lot of conditioner. My hair is a little bit thick. I mean, it's not like super thick, but it's not thin. I tend to have to put a lot of conditioner in it just to kind of like help moisturize it, and I don't know, I just need a lot of conditioner, okay? But yeah, it's super inexpensive and affordable, and I just absolutely love the product. It doesn't smell too overpowering. I'd kind of say it smells like shea butter. Is that the right word? Is that how you say it? Anyway, I'm going to wash out all the product, and then after this I'm going to be moving on to So now I've moved on to skincare and I'm trying to be a YouTuber and get my thing to focus. I'm using the ordinary lactic acid. I soon realised there's nothing left in the actual bottle. I am going to be doing a skincare haul in the future so you can see how my skin is like that. I haven't had a journey or anything. I've just got genetically clear skin, I think, but I do get spots and stuff as you can see in this video. But yeah, keep a lookout for that video in the future. I'll pop an end card on the screen once it's filmed and also pop a link in the description box below. Just got up in a towel, just waiting for it to dry, and I'll just quickly show you what products and stuff that I use. So yeah, let's get started. I've literally finally washed my hair after about maybe 2 weeks, I think. My hair's been texturized, so it's not completely afro, like kinky afro curled, but it's not completely straight, obviously. The texture's just been softened. So I'll be using these combs today to comb out my hair. In this video I'm just going to show you how I wash my hair, what I wash it with, then how I blow dry it and everything. This is the oil that I'm going to be using. Oh, we've got a little bit of hair on it. And then this is the blow dryer, but you can literally obviously use any blow dryer. So yeah, keep on watching if you want to see how I wash my hair. Okay, so I've just obviously finished washing my hair. Start by just combing it out. Guys, if I'm sweating loads, it's because it's hot. and I'm using my ring light because I don't want to open my blinds because my scatty neighbours across the road will see into my room, and that's kind of weird. My roots are growing out. I don't know if you can see, and my edges are thin from where I've been doing half up, half down. So I'm just gonna quickly part it down the middle. We'll try to. I doubt it's gonna be straight. I doubt it's gonna be in the middle. Oh, I don't really want to straighten my hair. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's done. Now I need to oil my hair, but I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna make a snack and then come back because my battery is dying. So I'm just gonna put it into a little bowl for now. Oh my god, my edges, help, because I gotta make a protein shake. Right, I'm gonna have a mini break just because I really need to have some protein shake because I'm really hungry. So yeah, see you in a second. Okay, so that's the end of the video, just my little wash day. I normally keep my hair up when I don't have anything in my hair just because I like it like this. This is probably like the tightest I've ever got in my bun. My roots, as you can see, obviously have grown out quite a lot because I haven't had it done. If you see little bits, it's from my hair oil. So basically I haven't had my hair done since, let me guys, I'm scared. Basically I haven't had my hair texturized since January. I normally go every 3 months, but obviously Corona, I haven't been able to go. My edges are thin or thinning because I've been putting gel in my hair, but I'm not going to put any gel in my hair now. I'm just going to keep my hair like this. I look literally like a naked little rat with no eyelashes. But yeah, I just thought I'd quickly film this video for you to show you what I do on my wash day. Please give this a massive thumbs up if you've liked it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next little video. Hi guys. Ooh, what was that? Yeah. How I do my own deal. Right, we're going to do that again. Is it raining? Oh my god, it's raining. So that's the end of I'm going the wrong way, oh my god. How do you slowly